In this tutorial, I will explain how you can easily add a white background to your photo for free. With this method, you do not have to sign up for any account, download a program, or deal with any watermarks. For the first step, go to the LunaPic website. You can find it on a search engine, or click the link from the description box. Next, you need to upload your photo to LunaPic. You can do so by clicking the Upload tab on top, or on the homepage banner. You then have to select the image file to upload. Once your photo is uploaded to the website, hover the mouse cursor over to the Edit tab at the top of the page. Scroll down the Edit menu and then select Auto Background Removal. The background should now be transparent. To make it white, click Add a background underneath Background Removal Results. You should then click Our Patterns or Colors. On the new page, tab the color box next to Solid Color. Select white from the available options, and then select Choose. Double-check how the photo looks on the new background. Select Apply if you are satisfied with the results. Click Download now to download the edited photo. If this video helped you out, then you can help out this channel by clicking the like button.